Hello, my name is Gary Church. My company is Bay Area Health Solutions, where my mission is to inspire and encourage positive change to better health and well-being. And that's through developing comprehensive health plans for individuals and families. As we all know, our healthcare system is in a dilemma. And it's not getting better, it's getting worse. And one of the things I've realized when it comes to our healthcare is the only time we use is when we have a life-changing event, something that happens in life that sends us to the hospital. And for a lot of folks, the only time they realize what kind of health insurance that they have is when they end up in the emergency room or they receive a bill from the hospital that's more than they can afford. For most of us, we work paycheck to paycheck and understand that the income that we make is designated for other things, whether it's our rent, mortgage, car payments, credit cards. We do have a life-changing event that puts us in the hospital. What are your deductibles? What are you responsible for financially? Well, for me, it's understanding that we focus on the key areas to protect you financially. As we know with health insurance, the only thing it does is it guarantees that you're not going to walk out of the hospital with a $100,000 medical bill. Maybe $5,000, maybe $10,000. If you're a family, it could be even far more. But it's understanding what are your options. For me, it's be able to help you make an informed decision. I focus on 4 key areas when I'm working with my clients, depending on the age. If it's a young family, the greatest thing is be able to protect your greatest asset. That's your ability to earn an income. If you lost your income due to an illness or accident, what's the first thing that stops? Your income. What's the second thing that's going to stop? Health insurance. Because no matter how much your employer may care and love you, they're not going to continue to pay your health insurance. They're not going to continue to pay your salary or your wages. That's on your own. Well, and all of a sudden you're going to start to lose everything you have and you start to go into a hole. So for me, it's understanding, first of all, protecting your income. Well, that's through disability insurance or a long-term care plan for older folks over the age of 50, 60. But for me, it's understanding your situation and be able to put plans in place that protect you financially in the event that you have a life-changing event. What is a life-changing event? It can be due to an illness or accident. Or, God forbid, you get in an auto accident. We all see that. Well, what ends up happening, right? What is your financial obligation? For me, through a comprehensive health plan, is protecting you financially. And that's what I'm able to do. Another good example, people aren't aware of this, is when you travel outside the United States into other countries, your health insurance doesn't go with you. And a lot of folks, when they do go over these other countries and they don't have health insurance, how do you think you're going to pay for it? But one of the things that people need to understand is when you do travel outside the United States, whether it's for vacation or for business purposes, you need to have international health insurance. That's the other area that I cover and focus my attention on. Are you 65 or older or on disability and collecting Medicare? I can help you navigate through the Medicare process to be able to help you understand what your options are. Not one plan works for everyone. Your next door neighbor may love their plan, but that plan works perfectly fine for them, but it may not work for you. So for me, it's navigating through. If you get a chance, go onto my website, which is www.bayareahealthinsurance.com. There you'll get a gamut of information. There's videos on there. There's information that's pertinent to whatever decision that you have to make. For me, this is a relationship. I'm here to help you navigate through the system. Everybody's needs are different. Your needs are unique to you, and my responsibility to you is to make sure that those are met.